Hey guys, welcome. Today I've had a lot of people request that my daughter show you guys how she does my makeup looks, and I finally got her here, and I owe her big time. She does not like being in front of the camera, so here I am, all natural. I got my bio hair with my little mini bun. That mini bun is not a part of the bio hair. So here she goes. It's going to kind of be quick and simple, and we're going to speed it up in certain places. And if she doesn't show you a product that we're using, I'll have all of that listed in the description box what we used. All right, let's get this started. Now this is going to be a little glam look.
All right.
I'm excited. I always love when she does my makeup.
Freshly washed hands.
Okay, yep, she washes her hands for show. And also, she always preps my skin because what do you say? Something about mature skin, which I have mature skin. It always looks my makeup always looks so much better when I really prep the skin with moisturizers. And she uses a little concoction here of things. And again, I will list everything that she's using in the little box down below. But I'm gonna be quiet and let's get started. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to go apply my own mascara, and I'm using this little it's like a little sample that my sister had sent me, and I love this. I am going to reorder this one in a full size. It's amazing, but I'm going to go do that, and then I'm also going to wear my favorite lashes by Kiss, and I'm going to go do that because I have to be close up to a mirror because Mama can't see, and I'll be right back to finish this look. Okay guys, I just did my mascara and put my lashes on. I love these Kiss lashes. If you're anything like me and you can't apply those false lashes, I've tried magnetic, I've tried them all, and I have hooded eyes. So the magnetic lashes are so heavy, they pull my eyes down, which doesn't work for me. But these Kiss lashes, you just put the glue on like you're wearing mascara, and clip, 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 glue them right on. It's so easy. I love them. I love, love, love them. One day I'll show you guys how I apply them and take them off, but for now, this is a big, big, big thing for me to sit here in front of the camera doing this. So she's gonna finish my look. Okay, so we've done the eyes. Now on to some blush and lipstick. Okay, I lied. I didn't know she was going to do that. So we have to touch up some because I got a little bit of mascara on my eyelid, so she's going to touch it up. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Oh, my eyes be popping.
All right. Blush.
Oh, blush. I love Rare Beauty.
Happy.
Happy. Happy is one of my favorite colors in these cream blushes from Rare Beauty. Takes very little. That's it. I'm done. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. I know every time you do my makeup, she's constantly blending and doing things.
With more mature skin, you just want to work it in so
Yeah.
it becomes part of the skin. I don't want it to sit on the skin.
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit of playtime before it dries
The
out.
one time you did my makeup, I almost looked like I was using a filter, and I wasn't.
Oh, it's the skincare.
Oh, I was like, I know it was all that
It is.
prepping and stuff you did. I was
That's
just
the secret. Is to do your favorite hydrating, dewy products. Get that skin
hydrating. I agree.
really plump.
Mhm.
I'd rather you look too shiny than too matte.
Me too. Me too. At my age, I'm already dry.
Are you happy with that blush?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
very happy.
Done.
Oh, happy, happy.
Oh.
No pun intended there, girl.
Dad joke one.
Oh, yeah.
Look up them. Look towards the mirror. The other trick too is how you hold your brush. If it's too close, it's going to be too heavy. You want to hold it really light where it almost barely touches the skin. I've learned that from different makeup artists.
I agree.
You're pretty glowy. Ooh, that's beautiful. It just like melted into that blush.
Oh, Hannah, that is so pretty. Thank you.
Woo woo. Okay, we're gonna just do a little bit more bronzer.
Okay guys, this is going to be the final little touch that she does. And again, we're not makeup artists, but we are two girls that love to play with makeup. Again, I just wanted to show you guys what she does for me. I love you and thank you. But this is going to be the final touch of the makeup look, and then we will see what outfits and hair that will go with this. It's going to be a beautiful New Year look for sure. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I always love when she does my makeup. Thank you, Hannah. Come over here. She hates being in the camera, but I so appreciate that she did that for me. I owe her big time, guys. Oh Lord. And if you're wondering about this, I hurt myself boxing. Yeah. Punching a punching bag. I think I sprained my wrist because I had no idea what I was doing, so that's what I get. This little hair piece that I was telling you all about. Yay! See? And that's my bio hair. But I love these little pieces. I will link this below as well. But they're so easy when even if you don't have hair, you have hair. So I'm gonna go try a couple of wigs and see what I can do with this look that she created. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I did it. I convinced my daughter to get on camera. She does not like the camera, so I so appreciate that she did that. As I've said, neither one of us are makeup artists. We just love to do our makeup, and I know that she's a little bit more educated in the makeup than I am. Well, a whole lot more educated there, and she knows a little bit more tips and tricks than I do, so I really appreciate it. Thank you, Hannah. Your mama loves you. With that being said, guys, I hope this has been a little bit helpful for you all, and I'm wishing you all, my family and I are wishing you all a very happy, blessed New Year. New Year 2021. I welcome you. I'm sending you all a lot of love, hugs, and kisses, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Know that I did this for you. Bye.